Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today we are going to make a evening sweet and crispy snack. And so let's start. For that we need samosa leaves. I have cut the samosa leaves into square pieces. And then you need powdered sugar. You have to grind the sugar. You will get powdered icing sugar. First you have to take those samosa leaves, and it is a very easy recipe. So now you have to put these samosa leaves inside the oil and deep fry it. So now you have to use icing sugar to sprinkle it over the samosa leaves. So this dish name is known as chonge. This is a crispy and sweet evening snack. You can try it at your homes. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thanks for watching.